Seven Virtues Perfume Atelier is the only one of its kind in North America. It's become such a tourism destination. People come in droves, they pose in front of the gorgeous florals. It makes them happy, and we love them. Here, you come and actually design your own bespoke perfume. You all have a trademark perfume like no other. You actually get to name it, and you even design the box. This was a dream of mine for 10 years, to create a place where people could come and play that would be filled with whimsy like Alice in Wonderland. And you could get away from the business of life and just be happy and creative. I was really inspired after going to a workshop, an atelier in Grasse, France, where I designed my own perfume. But it was from raw materials. And I thought, not everyone has the experience I have in creating a perfume. Why don't I create perfumes that everyone can play with and design? We've really cracked the code on how to make a long-lasting natural perfume. And it's very rewarding to have a collection of perfumes that are good for the world and good for your skin. So you walk along to all the stations and you spray each of the perfumes that are available at Sephora in 19 countries, over 1,500 stores. And then the ones that you love, you put them all together, wave them past your nose, and that's your perfume. I just want to empower people to play again, to be creative. And that's really what the atelier is about. It's like Build-A-Bear, you can't fail. Don't overthink it, just play and go with it. The experience is designed to be self-guided. So once you've learned the easy steps, you just go along at your own pace. The atelier is your creative space. It's your sanctuary. So you can come on your own and our alchemist will spoil you, or you can bring a friend. You can even take over the atelier and we design parties with you. Whether it's bachelorette, birthday party, team building, or a holiday party. You can bring your own music playlists. We'll provide the mimosas and the mocktails. You can do catering. The sky's the limit for whatever you want your party to be. Everyone loves our team building events. They're so fun for everyone. And we even have special fragrances here at the atelier you can't get anywhere else, like Oud Santal. So there are no rules. You can't fail. It's fantastic. But we do recommend that you do have a balance of the warm gourmands and the sweets and the florals. So using vanilla woods, for example, with that warm caramel and the woody base, or a Santal vanille, or even the amber vanilla, which is like a pheromone perfume, so it amplifies your natural scent. Blend some of those with the sweets. The candied lychee, which has that strawberry watermelon vibe, or even the cherry ambition, which has marshmallow. And that blend will really make the top, base, middle notes come together. So after you've created your bespoke perfume, you get a twilly scarf to spray with your perfume to remember this beautiful day. And scent memory will actually carry you back to this moment in time. So whether you're creating a perfume here on your own or with a friend or in a large group, you're gonna leave the Seven Virtues Perfume Atelier with more than just a perfume. You're gonna leave with an experience, a ritual, and a part of yourself will be rediscovered in your bottle.